Hi everybody, this is Jeff Payne and we are here at the Wish TV studios here in downtown Indianapolis, and we are about to do a promotion for Theo the Blue Shield. So I want you all to stay tuned and know that great things are happening.
Hey everybody out there, super excited. You know, it's your girl Sounds of Shar'e, and I am live at the Channel 8 news station here to be on the Lamont Stokes show. Super excited. We're going to be talking about some amazing things coming up with Theo the Blue Shield movie, written and directed by the one and only Jeff Payne. So he'll be in studio. Make sure you guys stay tuned because you'll be able to see back footage you won't see anywhere else. I guarantee it. So fast forward, I moved here, and my first time I went to karaoke, and really just from there, like, people are like, oh my God, like, who are you? Like, where'd you come from? And then I signed to a group called Gorilla Squad. So shout out to Lyrical Twist. But yeah, I just, you know, everything just kind of like coincides with everything. So like the music end up going into people seeing me and like, oh, like, do you model? Major shouts out to one of my sponsors today. I'm rocking the Tony Arrington TLA Fashions leather jacket. I got shouts out to the quality breeders of American Bullies, French Dogs, English Dogs, and Teacup Yorkies from Sure Shot Kennel. And make sure you stay tuned because March 26th, Decor by Danny is having her trap and paint party.
I love it. Trap and
It's called Theo the Blue Shield.
Nice.
And it's a cop movie that deals with a very sensitive topic, police brutality.
Yeah.
And I had no idea that the release of the movie was going to be right on the cusp of what's happening, you know, with Tyree Nichols and just the countless number of people who've been victimized and so forth. So we're going to address that in a very classy way, but we're looking at it from the outside, you know, in. Yeah. You know, when we watch the news, we see these different narratives. We see police not being held accountable, and it makes us feel some kind of way. Yeah.